Hello. It's now 6 years since I set up the Money and Mental Health Policy Institute charity, and I'm proud to still be its chair today. But on its 6th birthday, I've got an ask for you. We need your help, especially if you or a loved one has had experience of mental health issues. Over the last 6 years, the charity has had an enormous impact in trying to pull apart, break the link, the marriage made in hell that are money problems and mental health issues. You can be up to 4 times more likely to have a crisis debt if you've got mental health problems than anybody else. We have had a lot of successes over that period. I'm going to pick some of the easier to explain ones in a quick video. We have succeeded in getting breathing space debt respite for people receiving mental health crisis care. We changed the decade-old rules which ridiculously forced lenders to send distressing letters to people in problem debts. We ended the charges from GPs for filling out the paperwork that people needed when applying to their lender to be treated as a vulnerable customer. You're in debt, you need more help, but you had to pay to get it done. Gone. And we're doing a lot of work on trying to interlink help with finance when people are getting mental health counselling. Because we've even got the situation that high-end psychiatrists are spending their time filling out money forms for people. Well, let's let debt advisors do that and the psychiatrists do their job too. And that's one of the next stages of things that we're looking at. So what do I need from you? Well, being frank, one of the big reasons for the success of the charity is our research community of people with lived experience of mental health problems or a close member of their family have had. And instead of, well, we've got some brilliant people who work for the charity who come up with some great policies. Instead of that just being a nice idea in theory, we then put these to our research community so they can tell us what works, what doesn't work. Would this really help you? What problems are you facing? And it's that that's made sure that we really understand what's going on, has both given us better policies and much more oomph when we take them to regulators or politicians or firms to get things done. And the people who take part in it really get something out of it too.
Being part of something like Money Mental Health Research Community, even if you're only involved 2 or 3 times a year, it makes you feel like you're a part of something that is helping other people, that's helping the wider community, that's helping other people across the UK.
I want my voice to be part of the solution to money problems and mental health problems. And I can do that by being part of the research community. I can use my voice, which can be translated into research, which can be translated into a policy recommendation, which can be put in front of the government and enact real legal change or policy change that has a tangible and valuable positive impact in people's lives.
You feel part of something, but also you are making a huge, huge difference to so many other people's lives. And we all need to pull together to make a big difference in this way, especially around finances, which is something that isn't often talked about.
So if you fancy joining, it only takes a couple of minutes to sign up for the community. From there, you'll receive weekly surveys on things like whether the benefit system's working and what the government should do to make things easier for people with mental health problems. And I need to be straight, we need men. And we need people from ethnic minority backgrounds and young people because we're underrepresented. So if you're a man, if you're a young person, if you're from an ethnic minority, or maybe all three, the Holy Grail, we would love you to sign up, but we want anybody to sign up too. The more people we have, the better research we can do, the better we can make things for people who have money issues and have issues with their mental health too. So please give us a birthday present and join the thousands of people who are already making a difference and sign up to the Money and Mental Health Policy Institute charity research community.